All right, y'all. On this adventure with Your Outdoors, we're shrimping down in Hackberry again. Got the canal way back here. There's Connie. Say hi, everybody.
Hello.
And if you know where this is at, well, you know where this is at. A lot of people are going around the corner and going that way. Some people are going that way. We're staying right here. And I'm almost embarrassed to say it, but yeah, people, outboard motors need to be ran. If they don't run, they're not gonna run. So yeah, we got the trolling motor out here, so we're staying pretty close, but you know what? We're doing pretty good. We've already been here for, what would you say, honey, half an hour, 20 minutes? You said 45 minutes already? No way. I say more half hour. Well, anyway, we've been here for a little bit. We're gonna see what we got so far. Yeah, see, there's some in there right there. Yeah. Not doing too shabby, working our way on another limit. Like I said, we were here yesterday. Sorry I didn't film, but we wound up getting our 5-gallon limit. We are inside the Sabine Wildlife Refuge, where you are allowed 5 gallons. Now, if you go down the road and get outside the Sabine Wildlife Refuge, recreationally, you are allowed 100 pounds of shrimp. And trust me, you can get it if you put in the time. Well, I'm gonna get the shrimping and find a way to hook this camera up and everything so you can watch me throw a few casts. And yeah, thank you for watching and welcome back to Your Outdoors. We're enjoying it. You need to get out and do the same. Jellyfish. Damn it now. Where's it gonna come out at? Look at that jellyfish, people. Can you see it? There we go. There's a jellyfish right there. Wow. Yeah, watch out. He'll get you. He's going deeper. You don't like that sun, I guess. All right.
Okay.
All right, I got my bait out, which is basically just, they call it pogie meal, some flour and water. Mix it together until it's almost like a doughy consistency. Make some patties. I'll show you here in a little bit what I'm doing. I've already got it out here. They've been sitting for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna get my cast net out here. Get it loaded up, ready to go. Let's see what we can get. Sometimes the shrimp are deep, sometimes they're shallow. You just gotta find out where they're at. Oh yeah, I can see them jumping. I can feel them pop them in the net. Oh yeah, we got some. We got some, baby. We got some. Oh yeah. Shake the mud off. Oh. Look at there. We got a few in there. Nice little scrimp. Oh yeah. I was gonna put them in the bucket real quick. Oh, those ones must have been on the outside. Now I'll show you what I got here in a second so I get them all out of the net. They're all about the average size, about that right there. About that right there. I'm trying to dump this water out so I can show you better. And there we go. There's one cast right there. Nice size shrimp. Beautiful, beautiful shrimp. Now here, we're allowed 5-gallon bucket and then 1 gallon of bait. So I give my wife the bait because she's fishing. The rest of them go in the cooler. Oh, nice. Oh, that one tried to get out. We had one yesterday when I was pulling the net in, came out of the water, in the boat, up on the battery box, and right back out in the water again. Now where'd that one go? Where'd he go?
There's one over here. Is that the one you threw to me?
No, there's one that jumped out over here. Oh. Okay. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe he did go in. I don't know. We'll find them sooner or later. Now, I got another piece of bait sitting over on this side. So let's go ahead and load this up and see what we can get off of it. Here in Louisiana, you're allowed to use up to, I think now it's an 8.5 foot net. Had an 8 foot yesterday. Wore my old butt out. So I brought my 7 footer today. See him jumping everywhere? I think I might got some, people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got some. Yeah, there might be a few in there. Look at that. Can you see them all?
I think so.
Oh yeah. I'll show you what's in this net. This is good net right here. This is what you want right here. Look on there. He's on the outside. I'm trying to get in my net. All right. So that there again, one cast. You just saw it. No editing, no cutting. Right there. Beautiful Gulf Coast shrimp. Now, since we're only allowed a 5-gallon bucket, some of these smaller ones are gonna go back. Like that little guy right there. Connie's got enough bait, and hell, I can get her more bait anytime, as you can see. All right, want me to throw some more cast? Oh, show my fat belly there. I'm gonna throw some more cast, and we'll get back to you and let you know what we're doing. Show them the scenery, honey. This is beautiful out here. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Little breeze to keep you cool. Loving it. So I showed you how to get it and try to make it through so you have a little handle to grab onto when you want to fry some of these up. Now, say you don't want the handle on it and you want just the meat like that. This is what you do. Do the same thing. You insert it right like that right there, and you just bring it all the way through, and just keep pushing it down. And look at that. It just comes right out, clean, no poop vein. Drop it in the bowl, oops. And this is what you should have right here. The shell, tail, everything. Let me see if that's gonna focus. Let me try that. Shell, feet, legs, tail, all of that. Now the trash goes. Now, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my Peachy Keen Monster. Some more hook, line, and chill. And get these peeled so we can get to cooking and eating, because I can't wait. I'm hungry. I'm a fat man. I need to eat. All right. We'll be back when we're in the kitchen. All right, y'all. There is the final product after peeling. This side here, tails on for handles. This side here is no tails. It's just all meat. That's going to be for the po' boy sandwiches, maybe popcorn, shrimp. We're going to just fry these bad boys up and make some meal out of it. All right, we'll be back. Oh, look at that. Fresh Gulf shrimp caught yesterday. Woo! You can't get no fresher than that. These things were swimming in the water yesterday. Yesterday, yes. All right, we'll be back when they get the batter all ready to batter these up and fry them. Man, my mouth. Can't wait. All right, we got our potatoes cut up, nice and sliced up. Put just some seasonal salt, regular old seasonal. You can't beat it, the old seasonal. Now, you remember this, the coleslaw. Now, all we're doing around here is one 16-ounce bag of coleslaw mix. And you just dump it in the bowl. Throw your trash away. And just get you a spoon here, and you just kind of fold it in a little bit slowly, kind of poke it and get it all mixed around. You know, you just want to get that sauce that's in there. Don't want to make a mess. I always make a mess doing this for some reason, because I try to hurry up. I'm just going to get it from the bottom and bring it up to the top. And you'll see after a while, the reason I'm doing this is because it'll start creating its own juice. Everything will start mixing in and it'll start creating its own juice like any coleslaw does. But you basically just want to get a nice even coating on everything. And like I said, right now you're going to notice that it's not real juicy, but trust me, it will make its own juice. Sometimes, like tomorrow, when you're going for seconds, it might be a little bit too much juice. But there we go. Everything's got a beautiful coating on it. Now you just stick it back in the fridge. Oh, my nose, it just stick it back in the fridge and wait for the fryings to be done. Alright, it's in the fridge. Woohoo! Alright, our grease is up to temperature at 350. So now what we're going to do is what I have here is I have Louisiana seasoned crispy fish fry. I got about half of that in there. I added flour and more seasoning. Trust, there's a lot of, you can smell the seasoning in here. Okay, so we got the eggs, a little bit of milk, got a fork. At this point, you can put some seasoning in here if you want. I don't, because I have plenty in the batter. Okay, that's beat nicely. Now, how good can you see what I'm doing over there? I don't know if you can. What I'm going to do like this here, just going to grab a few of these here. Okay, we're going to grab a few of these tails on, drop them in here. Just kind of give it a real quick little shake like that, right? You take them and drop them in your egg wash. Grab a few more, put them in there. Just give them a real quick coating. Drop them in your egg wash. Just kind of move them around a little bit there. And drop it back in there. Drop it back in there. That one didn't feel like it had a tail on it. Cut in there. Put it in there. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there. Kind of like Bob Ross. A little bit there, a little bit there. Now. Oh, dang it. Alright. I know you're just looking at my chest. Sorry. Clean up my mess as I go here. Now, I got my shaker. Got holes in it. This is the LEM brand. I just take it. Make sure everything's closed on it. Then you shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. You can even say the words if you want. Then you just block it like that. Give it a little bounce, bounce, shake like that. Pop it out. Okay, we'll give it a little bit more shake. Shake it back and forth. All right. Now, there we go. Looky there. Beautifully breaded. Beautifully breaded. Now, we're just going to take these and throw them on here. Make sure you get them all. Throw them on there, and then just kind of shake them so they don't stick together. That's what I do. I kind of just get a little swirly swirl. And then just let them fry. Ooh, look at here. They're kind of like fish, you know, most seafood. You boil it long enough, it will float. Then we got seasoned fries right there. Like I said, it's just seasoned on. Oh, they're looking good already. Did you see that? Oh, you should have seen that. Did you see that? Let me show you again. Look at, oh, look at that. Give us a couple more minutes here. Actually, not even a couple more minutes. They don't take long to cook at all. They're shrimp. All right, now, while we're waiting for those to finish off, go ahead and get my plate here. Get up the fancy china. Put us a towel on there. Oh man, that smells good. Man, that smells good. Like I said, you just gotta wait till it's golden brown. They don't take long to cook. See how they're all floating? Ooh, man. That just smells good. So you can get all these to go. And all right, here we go. Let's go ahead and just shake them off. And just dump them out here on the towel. Oop, one's trying to get out. Look at that, people. Now doesn't that look good? Ooh, it's hot. Don't those look good? That looks good. Alright, y'all, you seen how I fry them up? I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these fried up. Just do the potatoes the same way, French fries. And the coleslaw is already in the refrigerator. I'll get back to you when all this is done and we're ready to make some sandwiches and stuff. Alright, till then. Alright, y'all, here you go. There's the coleslaw. Get the shadow out of the way. There's the coleslaw. Tails on shrimp. Tailless shrimp for this po' boys. We got French fries. Now here we go right here. This is the most important part. You can't forget. You gotta get the jalapeno mayo on the bread. Look at that. Look at the pieces of jalapeno all up in there. Now you gotta get it all over. I like mine on both sides. I just blob it on there and spread it around. Yeah, baby. Man, that just looks good. Look at all that. Whew. All right, now I like mine dressed, so that means I'm gonna go ahead and go with the tomatoes. A little bit of lettuce right here. I like it shredded instead of big pieces. It just has a tendency to go way better with it. Now, here's the kicker. Some people like sliced pickles. Some people don't. But I'm the kind of guy, oh, these are chunks. You know what? That's okay. Because I can make slices out of chunks. Not a problem. I mean, I can make them a little extra thicker than normal. Yeah. Come on. So then we just put a line of pickles down there. Like that. Now for the best part. Here it comes, boys. Look at this right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, my goodness. That right there. That's award winning right there, I'm telling you. I'm telling you now, if you're feeling a little extraness, you just dab a little bit of that on there. Ooh, yeah. Louisiana hot sauce. Yeah. So just stuff all that goodness in there. Look at that. Ooh, I lost some pickle there. Hold on, get back in there. See, this is one of them sandwiches you gotta handle. You gotta manhandle that sandwich. Look at that. Oh, you know what? Oh, it didn't make it back in the sandwich. Look at that. All right, now. This is just a shrimp. All right, now. Let's get a big old bite of this right here. One more look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, honey. Isn't that pretty? Now, here we go. Oh, no. Can't miss this. I'm done. That's it.
I've already had 2 helpings of fries, 2 helpings of shrimp.
You all hear that? And how was it?
This was amazing.
All right, there it is. I'm gonna finish this sandwich. I'm gonna finish this sandwich. Trust me. Thank y'all for watching. If you like what you see, click like and subscribe. Go outside, enjoy it. It's your outdoors. We caught this shrimp. You've seen that at the beginning of the video. It's easy. Just got to follow the rules and regulations. Check yours in your local state or local area in your state. Some different areas and different states have different rules. Anyway, God bless you. Hope you subscribe. Have a blessed day and get outside and enjoy your outdoors.